Hi everyone, welcome back. I was on a family vacation, so now I'm back again with a yummy French toast recipe. Let's get on to the ingredients. 2 eggs, 2.5 tablespoons sugar, 200 ml milk, 6 slices of bread and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Optionally, you can also use cinnamon powder and vanilla essence. This will help in bringing out the flavor. Beat the sugar with the eggs, and after that you can add the cinnamon powder, salt, followed by vanilla essence and milk. You'll see how quick and easy this recipe is to make. Once the liquid mixture is ready, keep it aside. Now slice the bread into halves. You'll be seeing that I'll be using 2 halves together while dipping into the liquid mixture. This will help in not letting the bread crumble down. I keep all the slices soaked very well in advance so that I can get on with the frying part. Heat about a teaspoon of butter on a pan and spread it across. After that, you can start adding each slice onto it. You just need to fry these slices until each side is slightly brown. Make sure not to burn it though. I so wanted to bring out this recipe yesterday on Valentine's Day, but yeah, I just came back from the family vacation and I was so tired. Anyways, I am considering all your suggestions through the polls on Instagram and Facebook that you've been providing me. So there will be more recipes coming soon as per your requests. And here we are almost done with our French toast. You can serve these with a dollop of vanilla ice cream also, and trust me, it tastes so yummy. Let me know your suggestions and feedback here in the comment section on YouTube as well. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and support. Bye bye.